The next unit of government we're going to discuss is the township. The township is similar to the town, except for it has a slightly different history in how it got its name and its purpose. In the New England area, the colonies, in New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, the township is pretty much just another name for a town. That's just what they called their towns in their area. Now, out on the Midwest, after we acquired all the land west of the Mississippi, the township kind of developed in a different way. They had all this new land, and a lot of people moving to that area, but they didn't have maps, names, or anything designated for which land is in which town or which city. So they broke the area up into 6-mile by 6-mile radiuses. They chose this because 6 miles is about how far you can get on a typical wagon ride in one day. Therefore, they took all the newly acquired land west of the Mississippi and divided it by 6 by 6. This allowed for them to map out and chart and designate different rules and regulations for each town and break into smaller chunks, which makes it easier to govern. Townships are ran by an elected chairperson and a commission or a board of commissioners that is elected by the people. Instead of a direct democracy like the town, these guys are elected to represent you living in the township and are supposed to act on your behalf. Townships have decreased over the years in history as cities have grown, because the cities have grown and started incorporating these different townships because they were better able to provide the services of police protection, fire protection, roads, septic, because they're providing it for an entire city. Therefore, adding one small township into them is cheaper on the people living in the area than it would be to keep the township going. And you'll be able to be provided better services in the long run.